Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're unlocking a hidden feature in your PS3 that almost everyone overlooks. This PS3 feature can instantly fix display problems and restore picture settings in seconds. Place your PS3 on a flat, stable surface and make sure the PS3 is fully powered off. If the PS3 light is yellow or green, press and hold the power button on the PS3 until it shuts down completely. Now the PS3 should be showing a steady red light indicating it's off. Make sure your PS3 HDMI or AV cable is firmly connected into the back of the PS3. Also check that the other end of the PS3 cable is properly connected to your TV or monitor input. Turn your TV to the correct HDMI or AV input that the PS3 is connected to. Now here's the hidden feature that most PS3 owners don't know about. Place your finger on the power button on the PS3 and hold it down. Keep holding the power button on the PS3 as the PS3 turns on. You will hear the first beep from the PS3 indicating it is powering up. Do not remove your finger from the PS3 power button. Wait for the second beep from the PS3, which will sound like a quick double beep. As soon as you hear that double beep, let go of the power button on the PS3. Now the PS3 is entering its hidden display reset mode. This PS3 mode automatically detects your TV's supported resolution and refresh rate. The PS3 will now reconfigure itself to match the best output your TV can handle. On your TV, you should now see a message asking to confirm the PS3 display settings. Use the PS3 controller to press OK on the screen. If your PS3 controller is not connected, plug your PS3 controller into the PS3 with a USB cable. Press the PS button on the PS3 controller to activate it. Now confirm the display resolution selection on the PS3 setup screen. The PS3 might test different resolutions to find the best one for your TV. Once selected, the PS3 video output will now look sharper and correctly scaled. This PS3 hidden feature is extremely useful after changing TVs or switching HDMI cables. If your PS3 was showing a black screen before, this PS3 method usually fixes it instantly. Now let's check another setting inside the PS3 menu to complete the optimization. From the PS3 home screen, scroll to Settings using the PS3 controller. Scroll to Display Settings on the PS3 home menu. Select Video Output Settings on the PS3. Choose HDMI if your PS3 is connected using HDMI. Select Automatic on the PS3 to allow the console to detect supported modes. Confirm the list of resolutions on the PS3 and press OK. Now go back to the main PS3 menu and scroll to Sound Settings. Select Audio Output Settings on the PS3. Again, choose HDMI on the PS3 if using HDMI. Select Automatic so the PS3 matches your TV or receiver audio format. Confirm and press OK on the PS3. Now your PS3 audio and video are fully optimized. This PS3 hidden feature fixes black screen, wrong resolution, and no signal issues. It also resets misconfigured settings if the PS3 was moved to a different TV. If your PS3 was previously showing blurry or stretched images, this corrects it. If your PS3 was stuck outputting 480p, this restores HD output. If your PS3 was giving out of range errors, this resolves those too. This PS3 feature works with HDMI, component, and AV outputs. You can repeat this PS3 trick anytime you change TVs. Many PS3 users never discover this feature even after years of use. But now you have complete control of your PS3 display configuration. Before finishing, gently clean the PS3 HDMI port with a soft dry brush. Also clean the TV HDMI port to ensure a strong connection for the PS3 signal. Reconnect the PS3 HDMI cable firmly at both ends. Turn the PS3 off and then on again to confirm everything applies correctly. The PS3 should now display perfectly on your screen. If you want smoother gameplay, enable game mode on your TV while using the PS3. This reduces input delay and improves the PS3 gaming experience. If you found this PS3 guide helpful, consider liking the video. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more PS3 tips, fixes, and secret features. Share this PS3 tutorial with anyone having display issues. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes, and enjoy your PS3 in crystal clear quality.